Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to connect with our earth and sky, bringing in this beautiful green spring energy of new life, new love, new possibilities, and we open ourselves to all that is. We open ourselves to becoming all we are meant to be, to fully embracing our authenticity, our creativity, our inner wisdom, our beauty, our divinity. And in this meditation, you grow your inner sun to light the path ahead throughout your days ahead. And there's so much clarity because you do drop in, you do take the time, you do settle into yourself and nurture the relationship with you. And because of that, your inner sun grows so bright, so strong, and your life unfolds in beauty, in ease, in grace, in trust, and in abundance. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you're working through and what you would like a healing meditation focused around. Enjoy today's meditation. Light a candle and play your favorite relaxing music. Let's drop into our meditation today. Close your eyes and turn your gaze inward. We focus into our hearts. Focus into this beautiful heart and visualize beautiful green pulsing energy. As you inhale, this green expands, and you exhale. As you exhale, this green flows through your body. We arrive in this moment. We set the intention of honoring our highest self. We set the intention of nurturing a relationship with our highest self. We set the intention of self-love, self-awareness, clarity, connection to our intuition, to our knowing. We set the intention of connecting with healing energy to bring healing into our lives and into the lives of those we know. We set the intention of beautiful, unfolding, healing energy for our planet. We take a deep breath into these intentions, into this beautiful green, bright heart. And with this energy of green, we are focusing on new beginnings in our lives. As spring is unfolding and the leaves are beginning to bud and the sprouts are beginning to peek through the dusty layers of earth, we focus on new beginnings. We take a deep breath into new beginnings. And we feel our feet firmly planted on the ground and we become so sturdy like a tree, our roots shooting down into the earth. We are solid, strong, grounded, rooted, and belonging here in this spot. We take our arms and reach them up like branches to the sky. We feel ourselves expanding, growing, becoming, blossoming, unique in our own way on this earth. We take a deep breath into our grounded, rooting, and also reaching. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe deeply in, feel yourself elongate, stretching, perhaps even stand and reach and root. And in this way, we create space for something new. We create space for new beginnings. We say thank you to Mother Earth for continuing to provide, to grow, to nurture, to become, to share her beauty. We say thank you. We know that we belong to the earth. We connect to the sun above, this beautiful golden glowing warm sunshine that filters down through the atmosphere and is received by our heart, received by our eyes, received by our crown. We allow this golden energy to permeate into us, flowing, healing, renewing, rejuvenating. We allow this sun energy to sizzle off anything that no longer belongs to us, anything that is no longer needed, any heaviness or dis-ease, discontent, any worry, doubt, confusion. We can visualize this beautiful sun energy just coming down and beautifully sizzling this off of us. We take this sun's brightness into our own hearts. Bring a hand to your heart and take a deep breath, seeing the sun within you. Each of us, our own sunshine of our own world, the god or goddess of our own world, the master creator of our own world. Take a deep breath into your heart. As we breathe so deeply, we see these rays stretching front, back, side to side, up and down. We see these beautiful rays lighting up our path ahead. In your mind's eye, you can visualize this path ahead. And because you are so bright in this moment, you can see with so much clarity this path ahead. And the rays of the sun just light up this path, golden and sparkling, magical, becoming. We step into becoming. We step into becoming new in each moment. We step into becoming our most authentic selves. We step into becoming the god or goddess of our own life. We step into becoming the master creator we are meant to be. See yourself gently stepping forward onto this golden path that is lighted up by the truth of who you are, by your own inner sun. And bring a smile to your face, visualizing some beautiful flowers along your path. And just know that each moment is meant to be enjoyed, savored, accepted. Each moment is meant to be one of learning and growth. We fully accept this life, all of its gifts, opportunities for learning and growing. Everything that comes our way, we can handle with ease because we know that life is filled with twists and turns and ups and downs, and no matter what happens, we are rooted, grounded, strong, sturdy, reaching, receiving, opening, and allowing. We say thank you. And in your mind's eye, you can visualize yourself holding hands with your earth family. This beautiful big circle of love, people who you know or don't know, beings of light and love. Join together, holding hands, supporting one another. You are never alone. Always remember that you are loved. Always remember that you are united with your most holy self. Always remember that your earth family is here to support you, to love you, to grow with you. Trust that everyone you need is on their way to you. And we take this sunshine with us throughout our days ahead with gratitude. Gratitude for this gift of knowing. Allow any words of wisdom to bubble up from the earth to be received by your hands in this moment. Say thank you. You come back to your body, your heart. You can begin to move your shoulders, your fingers, your ankles. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. In today's free write, allow any words to flow through you that are meant to be felt, seen, heard, acknowledged. Give yourself this beautiful gift of self-acknowledgement, self-love, self-compassion, knowing that you are showing up for you in this moment. Our earth thanks you, your highest self thanks you, and I thank you. See you next time. Much love.